Hey guys, this is Maria from TrueWaySocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to add someone on Instagram with a QR code. Instagram QR codes are created to help people more easily find, view other users' profiles and start following them. Keep watching and you will figure out how you can do it. The first place where you can find a QR code scanner is in the top right corner of the Explore page. However, a QR code scanner can also be found in the QR code section. In this case, go to your Instagram profile tab, hit the three lines icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap the QR code section in order to open it. After that, find Scan QR code at the bottom of the screen and press on it. Now, hover the camera over the QR code you want to scan and wait until it will be captured. You may start following a user by clicking on the follow button, or you can just view this user's profile page. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to add someone on Instagram with a QR code. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at TrueWaySocial.com.